Hey, it's Similolu here, and in this video I'm going to go over 6 things that I wish I had known as a new day trader. Let's get right into it. Starting with number 6, I wish I had known how to draw levels. Levels indicate areas of support and resistance, and knowing these areas before you enter into a trade definitely helps you understand what you're doing, helps you understand where you can get into a trade and where you can get out, and basically, all in all, helps you trade more profitably. Let's go to the next point. Never buy or sell at the bell. As we can see here, right at the start of the bell, we see these deep, long candlesticks. They're both red and green, which is indicative of a very volatile market. There's no particular trend. So the very first candlestick, you see price action is decreasing. The next two are green, price action is increasing. The next 2 minutes is decreasing. So there is basically this yo-yo movement, a very bad spot at which to enter into a trade. Meanwhile, towards the end of the day, you can see a clear direction. It's an upward trend, and of course, this would be a perfect setup in which to go long and make some good profit. I wish somebody had told me that when I started off trading. All in all, you don't want to be initiating any trades, neither do you want to be exiting any trades that you may already be in. That is something that I learned, unfortunately, the hard way, and I hope you can incorporate it into your daily trading plan to ensure that you have a better chance of making profitable trades. The next point is so important, and I have made a video just on the topic to let you know how important it is. And I wish I had known this when I started off trading, and that is let the VWAP tell you what to do. VWAP stands for volume weighted average price. Looking at this chart, we can see the purple dotted line, that's the VWAP, and to the left of the chart you see that candle that just breaks above the VWAP. Perfect entry point to go long on a trade. However, on this second chart, you can see to the left of the chart where that big red candle, where it falls below VWAP. From then on, price action continued in a downward motion. Perfect point at which to exit the trade will be that first candle that dropped below VWAP. Just click on the box to the top right of your screen to find out more about the importance of using VWAP in your day-to-day trading. Next point. I use this point whenever I buy or sell at VWAP, and that is to always wait for a second candle confirmation on the 1 minute before you jump into a trade. It's so important because price action breaks above VWAP. You gotta let that 1 minute candlestick close. Not only that one candlestick, but wait for the second 1 minute candlestick to close. It just gives you a little more assurance that price action is planning to keep going up and not reverse on you and drop below VWAP. I've been hit many times by this, and so that's something I wish somebody had told me, to wait for the second candle confirmation on the 1 minute chart. Now, if you're more risk averse, then you want to wait for 3 candles to close on the 1 minute chart, or 4 candles, or move on to the 5 minute chart and wait for the first 5 minute candle to close above the previous 5 minute candle. The minute that 5 minute candle breaks above the previous one, boom, you can enter your trade. Now let's move on to the next point. Now this next point is another important point, and it is simply to check on your daily time intervals before you begin your trading day. It's part of setting up your trading plan. Check to see which direction the stocks are trading for the day. Is it trending up? Is it trending down? That's so important, and you can find this out basically by drawing a trend line on your daily time interval. So you want to know what a trend line is? Do this. But for those of you who already know what trend lines are, you want to draw your trend line on your daily chart. And now let's move to the first and most important point I wish I knew when I was a new trader. And that is to keep your position sizes small and manageable. You may have $2,000. I would suggest not to trade with more than 50% of your account. So if you have $2,000, you don't want to be trading with more than $1,000 for the day. Take it from me, I've learned the hard way, and I wish somebody had told me what I'm telling you now. So that's it for this video. I really hope you found some value in it, and if you have, please drop me a like, leave a comment in the comment box below, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, since that helps small channels like mine grow a little faster on YouTube, and I will see you in the next video.